The annual New Educator Orientation begins at Gaithersburg High School as a new school year is around the corner. The event brings new teachers together to help them get started in the MCPS system.
Just super excited to work with MCPS. I literally am so glad I got hired by you guys, so just can't wait to go and start my first year.
So I'm a native of Montgomery County Public Schools. I went to Paint Branch, and I'm a Maryland guy. I went to the University of Maryland, studied music education, and it's a nice full circle moment for me to come back here.
Speakers, workshops, and current MCPS staff are on hand to support the teachers ahead of the first day of school.
So we're really excited to be here supporting the new teachers and educators as they enter their journey in MCPS.
I did attend NEO my first year teaching. I was a teacher at Oakland Terrace Elementary School, and NEO just provided me that foundation that guided me throughout all of my schools as I shifted through the county.
There's a lot to look forward to when school starts later this month.
We have a new principal at our school, so I'm very excited to meet them, and I'm excited to work with my team.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to meeting the new students and the faculty and coming up with some really creative assignments that really help develop the students' artistic perspective.